Hello everyone. In this video we're gonna see how to handle data when in a secondary table when the primary key is deleted from the primary table. So here we have the two tables. One is this employee table and the other one is this employee table, and this employee table is referencing this employee type ID as a foreign key. Now if I try to delete this employee type ID 1 from the employee type table, let's see what happens. So I'll try to execute this query, and when I try to execute, it shows an error. The delete statement conflicted with the reference constraint fk employee type. Now the reason for this is this employee table is referencing this key over here, which is the ID name is Jan. So I'll not be able to delete this key. Now is there a way to change this behavior? Yeah, there is definitely. So while creating the foreign key, we can have some options, add some options like cascade and set null, set to default, and let's see how to do that. So this is the scripts for my foreign keys. First of all, I'll delete the old constraint with this fk employee type. So let's delete this. Syntax is alter table, video table name, drop constraint, the constant name. So I'll drop that one. Now here I'll add one line, or it's like an option. So on delete cascade, right? So and I'll execute the query. Once I execute the query, now let's see what happened here. Now I'll try to delete from ID equal to 1. And is it successful? Yeah, it says 1 row is affected. Now let's see the tables, what it contains. So the ID, employee type ID with 1, ID is equal to 1 is gone. And same thing happened in the employee table also. The employees which are having employee type ID as 1, those are also not available right now, because we changed the behavior here. Now this is not the only the behavior, one behavior. We can have add different two more behaviors actually. Let's see what are those two. So first of all, again I'll drop the whole constraint, and the second option is all on delete set null. Okay, so on delete set null. Now I'll execute the query. Now when I give this option, now when I try to delete this, what will happen to the secondary table rows? Let's see that. And you guessed it well, it will set the column as null, right? And the third option is set default. So let's run it as set default default. And first of all, I have to drop the whole constraint, and let's go. Okay, and now I have only one ID, so I'll try to delete that one. Okay, so it says one ID, one row affected. Let's go to the fields. Okay, so there is nothing here, but if I see here, it updated this employee type as null, but in my option I commanded as set default, but I haven't set any default value for this employee type column. That's why it's set as null when I deleted this column from the primary table. So if you want to set it as a default value, so while creating the table, you have to write this one as a default, set some default value for this employee type column in the secondary table. Okay, thanks for watching.